I'm going to be showing you how to enroll to courses once you've registered and created your account. The first thing, go to the arrow at the top left of your screen, click, you get a prompt to sign in. Enter either your username or the email you signed up with. In this case, I would be using the email and the password that you signed up with, and click on login. You'll be logged into your account dashboard. So now click on the courses area of your menu. Allow it to load. Go to the course that you choose to register for. Click on preview this course. Then click on get course. You see two options: one-time payment and available in stage 2 plan. Click on one-time payment. Then go to your cart. You see the cost in your cart with the prices. Proceed to checkout. The information already pre-imputed. Click on place order. You'll be redirected to the payment gateway to make payments. Yeah. Make your payment either by card, USSD, by bank, or by with your Visa card or Visa QR. Click on pay. Once the payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to the website.